Nature is about specialisation. Species evolve to become masters of their environment. They adapt to their surroundings. They follow their instincts. They have a focus and a purpose that allows them not just to survive, but to thrive. If we look closer, we can appreciate the brilliance and the beauty in the design of nature. Everything has a reason for being the way it is and for working the way it does. At BOQ Specialist, there's also a reason for the way we work. We've evolved. We offer distinctive, personal and business banking products and services designed to help doctors, dentists and vets. We help them to help others. That's our purpose, our focus and our strength. Specialist by name, specialist by nature.